Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Does It Work with Tabboy 1000, where I buy it, try it, and either approve it or trash it. I just wanted to make a quick video to let you guys know about the Corsa Exhaust system for the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Mine is a 2016, and I bought the Corsa Pro Sport catback exhaust system. Now it's made for a 5.7 liter SRT, but I threw it on the 3.6, and mine was a single exhaust system, came from the factory. So I put the dual exhaust, came with 2 resonators, 2 mufflers, an X pipe, but bolted right up. They had to weld one little extra hanger so I can hang the back muffler up, because like I said, mine was only a single pipe. Thing worked beautiful. I'm actually sitting in the car. I can turn the music off, turn all the air system off. No drone. Sounds great. When you hit the highway, you can hear it in the car. Put a little music on, you don't hear shit. System's definitely dope. I got a co-stop preview for you, and it sounds better in person. I have the Rode Pro mic, but it sounds way better in person. I got a little clip of me revving it up for you. And if you want to see me do a takeoff video, so you can actually hear it while it rides down the street, comment below, let me know. Alright, so right now we're inside the car. All the windows is up. We got no air conditioning on or heat, no radio, nothing. No drone. I can barely hear it. And we can go down here, give it a little gas.